What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna be jumping over this broom, this metal thing right here. This. So, yeah. This thing. And I'm gonna put it like that so you can actually see me, like, rolling away or jumping over. There. And I can see back here. Over there. Right. Hate cameras. There. That's pretty perfect. Alright, you can see it. Alright. Ooh, I made it. Alright, I'm gonna do it again. The room moved back, so here's my room. Just touched it. Either one. I didn't make it. Alright. Got it! That's my second time making it. I only didn't make it once, probably gonna do that twice. Second time not making it right now, so. Woo! Lay down. Oh, come on! Stupid things in my way. I don't know what that is. Oh, Spider-Man. Nope. Didn't make that. Woo! Wow, that's... Whoa, what the heck is wrong with my truck? No, enough speed. I need more speed on this. This is it. That's good. Nope. Yes. Oh, what the heck is happening to my room? I made a few dents in it, but I'm not even used to it. Alright. Woo! It's over here. Alright. Small little finish. Hope the camera didn't move up away. I think it did, but alright. Tomorrow, I don't think there's gonna be any videos tomorrow. I just posted a video or some videos. Probably 2 videos yesterday. That I did. There's not gonna be any videos tomorrow, which is Wednesday for me. So don't be expecting me. Nope, I guess I'm stopped. I guess I'm gonna stop. One more time. One more time. Drink that Red Bull. sit upstairs, so it's okay. I practically made it, right? I made it, don't worry. Alright, I didn't make that one. But I'm going to do a few more. I know I lied about saying I'm not going to do only one more. But I'm doing a few more. Alright. Yes! Yes! Finally. Alright. 2 more. I promise. Y'all do like balance boarding. Whoa! Alright, one more, now the balance boarding. Dang, that balance board where I was like shaking around. Oh, I practically made that. I made it. Alright, I made that, so I want to do some balance boarding. Pick this up. Yes. Then, let me move stuff out the way. So this board, this Darkstar, to bring me some good luck. I love it. Alright, let's do this. Move this out the way. Balance board out. Water out. Alright, I'm gonna move the camera for you guys. And Harry Potter book for the stand. I don't know why I keep on saying the Harry Potter book. I guess I'm doing it this way today. I don't know why I put it over here. But, alright. No, I'm gonna do it that way. Gotta do this way. Alright. Camera, yeah. Alright. Woo. I know it doesn't matter. I know I'm stupid for doing that, but it doesn't matter if it goes. So. Go! And what is the point of doing a balance board? Because I don't get the point of doing a balance board. So, I know it's for your balance. I'm not that stupid, but I am stupid. I think there's something in here. My dog or something? Just kidding, I don't have a dog. Whoa! There's a bunch of my school supplies down here. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Alright, I'm sorry for doing those noises. I'm just being stupid today. Hands out. Ah. Whoa. Yeah. Yes. Ah. That's what I get for being a bad skater. Wow. If the skateboard team, like Elijah Lewis and Drake Mann, sees this vid, likes it, what was that? A bunch of glitter, I guess that was. Nope. Nope. Let's go back to balance boarding. Wow. Before I hit something up there, you don't know what's up there? The camera, something else. Hands out, playing this song. And then I'm gonna talk. Ah! Whoa, I think I'm about to break everything. It's building. Yeah, I know I feel about that, but no use of saying it because I know you guys are gonna say in the comments, like usual. I don't think it's going on. I think I want to do like play some Skate 3 if my mom's not on the my mom's on my room playing her fitness game. Which I'm like, Mom, get on your Wii and do your fitness game. She's like, no, I'm gonna do it on your Xbox. And I said no because my room is dirty. She looks in my room with a bunch of socks from her. So yeah, a bunch of socks. Come on, face in like ha ha. She's like, that's not funny, Grandma. No, that's not funny. I know. And she's like, okay, you're ungrounded. And I said, because my birthday's coming up, August 1st. And I said, can I get a tool on my skateboard? And she's like, don't you have a tool? I'm like, no. And then I hid my other tool, which is broke. So I don't even know what happened to it. I threw it somewhere down here, and I don't know. This is not my room, by the way, so I don't know. Just crap, man. I'm done. Wait, one more. Whoa, bounce. Arms out. Woo. Woo. Arms out. Arms out. Arms out. Okay. I give up. Oh my God, bouncing me off my arms. Well, one arm's up, so. Ooh. That fit better shut up. I'm hit it with a rock. There's something that's out. Okay, I'm done. Nope, we'll do a few more. Can't just give up like that out. Let's do this in the dark. Woo. I know I fell, so I know that I can't be balance board anymore because I think my mom's coming down, so I'm gonna have to turn all the lights on. I guess you can't see. Oh, yes, you can. Let's do some balance boarding in the dark. You can only see the top. So, let's do this. Alright, let's do this. Whoa. I was holding on, still out. Alright, let's do this. Just holding on to my pants. My shirt was it. Because I know it was cloth. This stupid. Better shut up. Is that you, Dad? No? Ooh. Okay, stop. I'm stopping. I'm totally stopping. Peace. Oh, yeah. I have to tell you one important thing, so I'm turning this light on. One important thing is that I just got sponsored by this skate company named Flex. And Flex, the owner of Flex is my cousin, and he got me a spot on the team like real easy. So that's all I got on Flex. If anyone want to get on Flex, you just gotta call my cousin. I'm just kidding, don't call him. He doesn't have a phone. I'm just kidding. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I'm doing balance boarding tomorrow. I'm stupid. I'm about to go to the Neuqua. You know Neuqua by like it's in Aurora, Illinois. The school in Neuqua has a skate park. And I'm about to go to that skate park. So if any of you guys live in Aurora, know where the Nico skate park is, you can just come up there and we can skate and stuff. So, see you later. Okay, like, these Janoskis are boss, so I'm gonna go. Wait. Alright, peace out.